Across Europe, soils are losing life. They erode, lose carbon, and biodiversity fades. Yet the ground that sustains our food, culture, and climate remains invisible in everyday life. Soil Arcade and Stories was created to change that, to reconnect people with the living world beneath their feet. Through art, design, and play, we translate soil science into imagination, turning complex processes into visual stories and interactive learning. At its heart is the Soil Arcade card game, co-designed by youth educators, farmers, and artists in Germany and Romania. In our soil studios in Erfurt, Weimar, and Cotia de Arzers, participants paint with soil pigments, craft icons, and invent micro-stories that reveal soil as a living ecosystem rather than an abstract resource. This project builds on years of creativity, education, experience from Next Level, following initiatives like Green Academy and Balance Academy. Now that experience evolves into a new artistic form, merging education, art, and participatory science to reach wider audiences and create lasting change. Our team unites Next Level for coordination and learning design, AG Synergy for soil science expertise, Areas NGO for youth engagement, and Kai Eisentraut for artistic direction and film. Together, we embody the new European Bauhaus values: sustainability, inclusion, and aesthetics, and contribute to the EU mission, A Soil Deal for Europe. And the impact will continue long after the project ends. The Soil Arcade games, educator toolkit, and documentary are open source, freely available for teachers, museums, and communities to use, adapt, and expand. Workshops and exhibitions will keep growing through our networks, inspiring future generations to see soil not as dirt, but as the foundation of life, creativity, and regeneration. Soil Arcade and Stories turns soil from something unseen into something experienced, visible, creative, and enduring. Because when we understand soil, we understand our connection to life itself.